Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Adi and welcome to my channel Matric. So, in this series of lecture, today we will see how to add 20 consecutive numbers within 10 seconds. Before that, I will recommend you to watch the first lecture of this series, that is how to add 10 consecutive numbers within 5 seconds. It will be helpful for you. So, let's say we want to add the numbers from 1 to 20. How much time will it take? On calculator also, it will take 25 to 30 seconds because you have to type each and every number there also. So let's say we want to calculate the numbers from 1 to 20. How will we do that? Now, 1 to 20. So for that, first of all, we will calculate 10th number of this series. Anyone can tell the 10th number of this series is 10. We will write that number and append 5. And what we did, we calculated the 10th number of this series, that is 10, and then we appended 5. Now we will multiply this number by 2. So what will be the multiplication? This is simple multiplication. The multiplication will be 210 and that will be the sum of numbers from 1 to 20. So for the three digit now we will see how to do that. Same method will be applied for two digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, any digit series. So let's say 203 to 222. So what will be the 10th number of this series? Is it 213? No, it's not. The 10th number of this series is 212. If you are confused between which is 10th number, which is 9th number, or which is 8th number, then just do one thing. What we need to calculate here? We need to calculate 10th number of this series. So for the 10th number, we will add 9 here. So what will be the 10th number? This is simple addition. 212. And as per the trick, we will append 5 here. Now what will we do? Think what I told you earlier. We will just multiply this number by 2. So this is simple multiplication. I will do it for you. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And this will be the sum of this series. And those who have watched the first lecture of this series can split this problem into two sections and verify it. So what will be the first section, guys? The first section will be 203 to 212. Okay, 203 to 212. What will be the sum? What we need to do? We need to calculate fifth number. What is the fifth number? For the fifth number, what will we do? We'll add just 4 here. The simple addition, 207. Now, what we need to do? We need to append 5. This will be the sum of this. Then, what will be the second section of this problem? The second section will be 213 to 222. Again, what will be the fifth number of this series? 217. What we need to do? We need to append 5 and do the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 2, 4. Is it same? So our answer is right. If you want, you can check it on calculator as well. So for any digit numbers, we can do this trick and use this. For 4 digit as well. So we'll do 4 digit example. So let's say 1173 to 1192. What will we do now? What is the 10th number of this series? What is the 10th number? Is it 1183? No, it is 1182. What we did? We just added 9 in this number. Now what is the next step? Multiply by 2. So what will be the multiplication? Simple multiplication. I will do it for you. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. Carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 1s are 2. Is it right answer? No, we did one mistake. What is the mistake? Did you catch it? Did you catch it? So the mistake is we forgot to append 5 here. So our answer is wrong. So don't forget any step or otherwise your answer will be wrong. So now we need to do this multiplication and we will get the addition. 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 1s are 2. This will be the addition. That's it. So to summarize everything, I'll tell you what are the steps to add 20 consecutive numbers within 10 seconds. So we need 3 steps. So first step, step 1, calculate 10th number of the given series. Calculate 10th term or number of given series. Second step, second and most important step. All steps are important, but if we forget the second step, we'll do the mess. So step 2, append 5 to step 1. Now what is the step 3? Just think. And the step 3 will be multiply step 2 by 2. That's it, and you will get the answer. So that's it for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll see how to add 10 n consecutive numbers within 10 to 15 seconds. That is, say the number series having 10 numbers, 20 numbers, 30 numbers, 80 numbers, 110 consecutive numbers. Only constant is consecutive numbers. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel, like and share, and do watch the first lecture of this series. The link is given in the description. Keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.